Hi, Jenny here. Today we are going to make a snack. So we're going to make some air fryer crispy chickpeas. Let's get started. For this recipe we are going to need 1 can of chickpeas, also called garbanzo beans, 15 ounces. We're going to rinse and drain that. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and half a teaspoon of paprika. First we will drain and rinse the chickpeas. Now we're going to pat these dry, so put them on some paper towel. Whee. So chickpeas usually come with a little skin on them, so if you have any of those that come off, you can just toss them. And then we'll just put them in a bowl and mix them with the rest of our ingredients. Preheat your air fryer to 390 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 minutes, and then we will put the chickpeas in there and cook them for 6 minutes, give them a shake, and go for another 6 minutes. Air fryer is finished preheating. Forgot to mention, I suppose, before you start, make sure you have your little tray on the bottom there, nothing extra. Sometimes we keep our extra silver tray in here too, which I've got to remember to take out, but alright, chickpeas in. Make sure they're in like a single layer, so we'll just shake them until they're. And then cook them for 6 minutes. And they're done. We'll let them cool a little bit and then we'll try them. So there you have an easy chickpea snack. So I've seen recipes for this before. I've seen them made like in the oven. I don't think I've ever tried it that way. I think I wanted to, and I just never got around to it. So when I came across this recipe from the air fryer, I thought, yeah, I'm gonna try this one. So again, this is just the basic recipe: salt, pepper, paprika. I will leave the recipe down in the description below. You can let me know in the comments down below if you like to eat chickpeas. I like them in soups, but I think I've had them in a salad before actually too. But I like them in hummus. Chickpeas make hummus, so I figured I would like chickpeas as a snack. I know you can also buy them at the store already in a package as a snack. So I've also seen recipes that you can make them a little bit more savory, make them spicy with the chili powder, and then more sweet with honey. So maybe I'll make one of those recipes at some point too. In any case, let's try and see how these are. They seem very crispy. And crunchy. It almost tastes like a peanut to me, with having the seasoning on there. Maybe I've had it before too, maybe in a nut mix. But I like it. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go eat some more of my snack. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye.